Okay, I'm going to interrupt that project to talk about this project. Some of y'all might have noticed you got a door handle somewhere. It gets all loose and wobbly like that. And you think, what's happened to my door handle? It's wore out. Well, actually, it's not. There's a couple of screws on the back of here that hold that door handle. You see, right there, old Phillips head screw and that Phillips head screw. And this one, if you notice, is completely out. Now that's an easy fix. This little cover plate just slides on there and you can prise it off with a screwdriver. This handle you can get off too. I get my screwdriver. There's a little release button on the side of here. You might can see it. I got the tip of that screwdriver sitting right on it. And if I get the right angle where y'all can see me, release that handle. Probably tighten it without taking the handle off. Just to show you how it's done, I mash out. I pull this. There's my handle. See that little release button right there? Now that I got that off, I'm taking a Phillips head screwdriver and we just tighten that right up there. That door handle will be good as new. So if any of y'all got any wobbly door handles, that's how you fix them right there. I might need to open this to get on the outside so that I can hold that other one. Pretty good and snug. I think that one's stripped, but this one on the other side is good. And now this little cover plate just slides back on there, and this here goes back on there just like it was. When I get to that, I'll just mash. Well, I didn't have to mash it. Do a little work on my lock. My house shifts. Occasionally I have to readjust things as far as my locks, door closings and things like that go. But now that's a good firm door handle there. Not loose anymore. That's how you fix that. Now you know.